Every Samsung fan will love this video because it's a moment many have been waiting for. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to deliver performance like never before. This is no joke. Android is finally surpassing Apple, and it marks the start of a new era. But before we dive into that, let's take a look at the design of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. We've already checked out the S25 Ultra in the previous video, in case you missed it. Now we have the regular Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus. Just like the Ultra, these phones have the thinnest bezels on any smartphone, and they come with Fold 6 style camera lenses. This may not be fully accurate, as the camera design could end up looking more like the S25 Ultra. So, while it's not completely final, Samsung has made the S25 design even better. The Galaxy S25 series is looking amazing overall. It's a real upgrade from the current S24 series. But what's even more impressive is the performance. As I mentioned earlier in the video, we got our first look at the Geekbench 6 benchmark results for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which will likely power all S25 models, not just the Ultra. The results show over 3,000 for the single-core score and over 10,000 for the multi-core score, beating Apple's A18 Pro in Geekbench 6. By the way, this test was actually done on a OnePlus 13 device. We know that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will have a custom, slightly overclocked version for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which means the S25 Ultra will likely perform even better. This could unlock results we've never seen before. Not only will the S25 Ultra be more powerful than the A18 Pro in the iPhone 16 Pro Max when it comes to graphics, but now it's also ahead in CPU performance. Honestly, Samsung wouldn't have been able to achieve this with their old chips, so big thanks to Qualcomm. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Lastly, something to look forward to for the rest of the year from Samsung is the One UI 7 update. I know the One UI 7 beta has been delayed for a while, but it looks like Samsung is doing everything they can to release the most polished software they've ever made. Based on the latest rumors, it looks like we'll probably see One UI 7, which will give the Galaxy S24 series a fresh boost. That's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about Qualcomm and Samsung's partnership with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. We're about to see performance on a phone like never before. It's a great time to be an Android fan. Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.